guys, today I'm going to make a burger on toast. So let's get toasting. I've got some pre-made fresh Angus burger patties here. There was 4 in this pack. I think they were $5.99. So we'll get one of those into my 10-inch cast iron skillet, slightly oiled. If you don't have the skillet, you just use your toaster oven tray if you want to. And I'm going to season it with a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, that says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And as soon as my toast... For some reason my camera shut off before I was finished filming that last clip. But what I was saying here is I cook the toast first. That way I can put the condiments on it while the burger is cooking. And also the oven will be preheated so the burger will cook faster. So I'll get that in there and I'll set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll just keep an eye on that. It's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to check on this. This looks good. I think I'm going to flip it over. Alright, there we go. And I have some pizza blend cheese, so I'm going to put some of that on top. Then I get it back in the oven and just let that melt. Spend 3 or 4 minutes on that side. And I think that looks good. That pizza blend cheese melted nicely. Put a little bit of ketchup and mustard on that bread and a little Thousand Island on the top side. I'll get my burger on there. And I think I have a little bit of lettuce and tomato, so let me add some of that and then we'll try this out. There we go. Let's try this out. Came out good. Actually, toasted bread works good for a bun. There's Annie. She was out in the yard chasing something around or something. I don't know what she was doing. Want to try it, Annie? There you go. You can use frozen burgers for that as well. They just take a little bit longer to cook. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.